Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, let's explore the various number data types in Java. So we'll take an example about byte, short, long, and int. Let's start with the byte. Here, the byte is a data type that is used to store whole numbers from -128 to 127. It's an 8-bit integer. In order to create a byte, we start with byte keyword with small letter, and here we specify the name of the byte variable. Let's name it as x equal to and give it a value 100 like this. This is how we create a byte variable in Java. Some may ask, why this range? So I can't put like 130, for example, 130, like this. No, there is an error here, this red line, telling us if we click on this red bulb, we can see that a required type is byte, provided is an int. So we need to provide an int, transform this x variable from byte to int in order to store this value, which is 130, which is outside of this byte range. So please pay attention to your range, your numbers, and your expected values of your numbers. So for that, we have a wide variety of numbers in Java. So the maximum number that can x store is 1 to 7 or -1 to 8. Now let's move to the second data type, which is the short. The short data type is a 16-bit that can store whole numbers from -32,768 to 32,767. Now, to create short, we start with the short keyword, and I'll name this short as y, and I'll give it a value 7777. You can see that it's created with no errors because 7777 is included inside this range. If I add two more numbers, two more sevens, I can get, or this Android Studio will give me an error because I am providing an int value to a short. Either I need to change it to an int, you can see the problem is solved, or I need to remove or reduce the number to be included inside the range. The third type of primitive data types and the third type in numbers is the int. The int data type is a 32-bit integer. It can store whole numbers from this number, from minus this number to plus this number. It's the most commonly used data type for the whole numbers in Java. In order to create an integer, we start with int keyword, and I'll name it as z equal to 88776655 and so on. Don't miss the semicolon. The fourth type of numbers is the long. The long data type is a 64-bit integer. It can store very large whole numbers from minus this number to plus this number. To define a long value, you should add capital L or small l at the end of the number. So for that, I start with the long keyword in Java, and I'll name it as w equal, and I'll give it a value, for example, 1122334455667788. And here I have an error. Integer number too large, because this IDE or Android Studio will understand that this is an integer. In order to tell Android Studio that this number is not integer, it's a long, I need to add capital L at the end of this value, or a small l. Okay? But I prefer adding capital L because it's more readable. So this is how we define the long in Java. This is how we define integers, short, and byte. These are the numbers in Java.